In this video, we are diving into the 15 things mechanics secretly hide about your old car. Is skipping regular maintenance slowly killing your car without you knowing? Is your timing belt a time bomb waiting to explode? Are you ignoring valve problems that could ruin your engine? Whether you are a seasoned car enthusiast or just trying to keep your ride running smoothly, this video is packed with valuable insights that you won't want to miss. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will be equipped with knowledge that could help you make informed decisions and avoid costly surprises. Let's get started. Number 15. The hidden costs of a bad inner CV joint. A failing inner CV joint can lead to significant repair costs if not addressed promptly. The CV joint plays a crucial role in your vehicle's performance and safety, allowing for smooth power transfer from the transmission to the wheels while accommodating suspension movement. Symptoms of a bad inner CV joint often include clicking noises during turns and noticeable vibrations while driving. Ignoring these warning signs can result in further damage to your vehicle, including potential axle failure or transmission issues. By addressing CV joint problems early, you can save yourself from costly repairs and ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable on the road. Number 14. Timing belt, the silent engine killer. The timing belt is a crucial component that synchronizes the engine's camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring that all parts work in harmony for optimal performance. Neglecting this vital belt can lead to severe consequences, including engine failure, which often results in costly repairs. A broken timing belt can cause the engine's pistons to collide with the valves, leading to extensive damage that may require a complete engine rebuild. To avoid these risks, it's essential to follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations for regular timing belt inspections and replacements. By staying proactive, you can protect your engine and maintain your vehicle's performance, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. Number 13. Valve issues, the overlooked problem. Valves play a critical role in your engine by controlling the flow of air and fuel into the combustion chamber and allowing exhaust gases to exit. Their proper functioning is essential for optimal combustion and overall engine efficiency. When valve problems arise, you may notice signs such as poor acceleration, unusual noises, or even a rough idle. These issues can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. To prevent valve-related problems, regular maintenance is key. This includes inspections and adjustments as needed to ensure that your valves are operating smoothly. By staying on top of valve care, you can enhance your engine's performance and extend its lifespan. Number 12. The importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of old cars, as it helps prevent major issues that can lead to costly repairs. Routine checks such as oil changes and inspections allow you to catch potential problems before they escalate, saving you money in the long run. By following a maintenance schedule, you ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently, enhancing its performance and reliability. Additionally, keeping detailed records of your maintenance activities can help you track your vehicle's health over time, making it easier to identify patterns or recurring issues. Prioritizing regular maintenance not only extends the life of your car, but also provides peace of mind on the road. Number 11. The truth about engine oil. Using the right engine oil is vital for your car's performance and longevity. Engine oil lubricates and protects critical components, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. When you use the wrong oil type or neglect oil changes, you risk serious consequences such as engine overheating, reduced efficiency, and even catastrophic engine failure. To keep your engine running smoothly, it's essential to check your oil levels regularly and ensure you are using the manufacturer recommended oil for your specific vehicle. This simple practice can significantly enhance your engine's performance and lifespan, ultimately saving you money on repairs and keeping your car in top condition for years to come. Number 10. Tire maintenance, more than just air pressure. Tire maintenance is essential for both safety and performance. Going beyond just checking air pressure, the tread depth of your tires significantly affects traction and handling, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Insufficient tread can lead to longer stopping distances and decreased control, putting you at risk on the road. Regular tire rotations and alignment are crucial to ensure brief wear and prolong the life of your tires. Additionally, it's important to inspect your tires for signs of wear, such as cracks or bald spots, and replace them when necessary. By prioritizing tire maintenance, you can enhance your vehicle's performance and ensure a safer driving experience for you and your passengers. Number 9. Brake system, the lifeline of safety. The brake system is a critical component of vehicle safety, ensuring you can stop effectively in any situation. Key components include brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid, each playing a vital role in the braking process. Over time, these parts can wear down, leading to signs of brake wear, such as squeaking noises or reduced responsiveness when you press the pedal. Ignoring these warning signs can compromise your safety on the road. That's why regular brake inspections are essential, allowing you to catch issues early and make timely replacements. By prioritizing brake maintenance, you can ensure your vehicle remains safe and reliable, providing peace of mind during every drive. Number 8. Battery health, the heart of your car. Maintaining a healthy car battery is essential as it powers all electrical components and is responsible for starting your engine. A well-functioning battery ensures that your vehicle operates smoothly, from powering headlights to supporting the ignition system. Signs of battery failure can include slow engine cranking, dim lights, or a dashboard warning light. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to unexpected breakdowns and leave you stranded. To avoid such situations, it's crucial to perform regular battery checks and replace it when necessary. By staying proactive about your battery health, you can ensure reliable performance and peace of mind, keeping your car ready to go whenever you are. Number 7. Cooling system, preventing overheating. The cooling system plays a vital role in regulating engine temperature and preventing overheating, which can cause severe damage to your vehicle. It circulates coolant through the engine, absorbing heat and dissipating it through the radiator. Signs of cooling system issues include coolant leaks, steam rising from the engine, or the temperature gauge reading higher than normal. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to costly repairs and engine failure. To maintain a healthy cooling system, it's essential to perform regular coolant flushes and inspections, ensuring that the system operates efficiently. By prioritizing cooling system maintenance, you can protect your engine and enhance your vehicle's overall performance and longevity. Number 6. Fuel system, keeping your engine running smoothly. The fuel system is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance, as it delivers the right amount of fuel to the engine for combustion. Key components such as fuel injectors and filters play a significant role in ensuring engine efficiency. Clogged filters or malfunctioning injectors can lead to issues like poor acceleration, stalling, or decreased fuel economy. Recognizing these signs early can help prevent more serious problems down the line. To keep your fuel system in top shape, regular maintenance is crucial. This includes replacing your fuel filters and cleaning or inspecting injectors as needed. By prioritizing fuel system care, you can enhance your vehicle's performance and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Number 5. Suspension system, the unsung hero. The suspension system is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in ensuring ride quality and safety. By absorbing shocks from the road, it maintains vehicle stability and provides a smooth driving experience. A well-functioning suspension system helps keep your tires in contact with the road, enhancing traction and control. Signs of suspension issues can include uneven tire wear, a bumpy ride, or excessive bouncing after hitting bumps. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to compromised safety and increased wear on other vehicle components. To ensure optimal performance, regular suspension inspections and maintenance are essential. By prioritizing your suspension system, you can enjoy a safer and more comfortable ride. Number 4, electrical system, the backbone of modern cars. The electrical system in modern vehicles is a complex network that powers a wide range of components, from headlights and taillights to advanced infotainment systems and safety features. This intricate system ensures that everything operates smoothly, providing convenience and safety for drivers and passengers alike. Common electrical issues can include blown fuses, malfunctioning sensors, or battery problems, which can disrupt the functionality of essential systems. To prevent unexpected failures and maintain optimal performance, regular checks of the electrical system are crucial. By staying proactive about electrical maintenance, you can ensure that all components function properly, enhancing your driving experience and keeping your vehicle reliable on the road. Number 3, common myths about old cars. There are many misconceptions surrounding the maintenance of old cars that can lead to unnecessary worries. One common myth is that older vehicles are inherently unreliable, but with proper care, they can be just as dependable as newer models. It's essential to understand that regardless of a car's age, regular maintenance and attention to detail are crucial for keeping it running smoothly. Many people also believe that older cars require more frequent repairs, but this can often be mitigated with routine checkups and timely servicing to ensure your vehicle remains in top condition. It's wise to seek professional advice tailored to your specific car's needs, helping you make informed decisions about its care. Number 2, exhaust system, the quiet performance killer. The exhaust system is essential for vehicle operation, consisting of components like the exhaust manifold, catalytic converter, and muffler. Together, they direct harmful gases away from the engine and reduce emissions, ensuring your vehicle runs efficiently. When exhaust system issues arise, you may notice signs such as unusual noises, decreased power, or a strong smell of fuel. Ignoring these problems can lead to reduced engine performance and increased emissions, which may cause you to fail emission tests. Addressing exhaust issues promptly is crucial not only for maintaining optimal performance, but also for complying with environmental standards. Regular inspections and maintenance can help keep your exhaust system functioning effectively and your vehicle running smoothly. Number 1, transmission troubles. What mechanics don't say. The transmission is a vital component of your vehicle, and transmission fluid plays a crucial role in its smooth operation. This fluid lubricates the moving parts, ensuring efficient gear shifts and overall performance. However, many drivers overlook the signs of transmission issues that mechanics might downplay. Symptoms like slipping gears, delayed shifting, or unusual noises can indicate underlying problems that need attention. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe damage and expensive repairs down the line. To prolong the life of your transmission and maintain optimal performance, regular maintenance is essential. Stay proactive by checking your transmission fluid levels and scheduling routine inspections to catch issues early. After introducing 15 things mechanics secretly hide about your old car, which secret caught your attention? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.